Hello everyone, preparing your practical for the subject code BJ0051, that is Public Relations, which comes under semester 4. Under guided exercises, we have provided you exercises from 1 to 14. Out of these 14 exercises, you have to attempt any 7 exercises of your choice. Each exercise carries 10 marks. So let's go what these exercises want you to do. Exercise number 1. In exercise number 1, that is writing a media invite, you have to write invitation letter inviting for a media conference. In exercise number 2, that is press conference, you have to write how will you organize a sudden press conference, and how would you organize a corporate press conference. Exercise number 3, you have an exercise for writing a press release. You have been provided an information based on which you have to write press release. In exercise number 4, that is writing a pitch letter, you will pitch a letter which will be about an organizing of an international fest by your college or institute. Exercise number 5, that is writing proposals. You have to write proposals keeping in mind the importance of the outbound training for the staff members for the betterment of the organization, obviously, and or about organizing some event in the city or some fundraising charitable organization for some charitable organization. In exercise number 6, event management, you have to imagine yourself as a PRO of IT company and plan a relaxing event for the staff members. Exercise number 7, media tracking, you have to analyze the media coverage of any local daily or international daily, which is obviously online. In exercise number 10, that is in exercise number 7, that is media tracking, you have to analyze the news covered in the national newspaper, which is online, so that we can also go through it. Exercise 7, that is media tracking, you have to go through the 7 days of media coverage of a particular news in the 2 national online newspaper, and analyze and write. In exercise number 8, that is media tour, you could plan out a media trip to any media houses to cover up the news, like the recent the Maggie issue which had cropped up. Number 9, that is crisis management, you have to imagine yourself as how would you handle how would you manage the crisis from a PR perspective. Number 10, that is media planning, you have to plan a media campaign for a particular company. We have provided you the information, please go through it before you do the exercise. Number 11, you have an exercise on consumer relations. Here we imagine you have to imagine yourself as a PR and imagine how you would face those complaints of the consumer, and how would you come up to a situation wherein the consumer relies and understands your point of view. Exercise number 11, that is consumer relations, we have an exercise for you wherein you have to imagine yourself as a PR of a particular organization, how to deal with the complaints, and how well do you communicate with the consumer and keep the relations. You have to be very practical in proposing the measures that you would take as a PR. Number 12 is corporate blogs. Here you have creating a blog of your own.